Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be sharing this recipe for oven baked beef short ribs. It's going to be amazing. Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Here I have my beef short ribs already washed and pat dry. I will be using some paprika, seasoned salt, black pepper, garlic and onion powder, some beef bouillon, complete seasoning, some barbecue sauce, jerk, marinade. I have some mustard, ketchup, and some honey. So the first thing you want to do is combine all of your seasonings so they can be evenly distributed onto your ribs. Next, you want to add those seasonings to your ribs and then come in with all of the condiments. Then you want to get in there with your hands and just mix well until they're nicely combined. You want to cover and allow them to sit for at least 2 hours. If you have time and you could allow them to go longer, that would be best. Once they are done marinating, you want to nicely assemble them into a large baking dish. And if there's any sauce that's left at the bottom of your bowl, you want to just place it over top of the parts that you feel need more sauce. Then you want to cover it with some foil wrap and place this in a 375-degree oven for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, this is how they are looking. What I did was 20 minutes before they were done, I went in with some barbecue sauce and just basted them over top. This is the barbecue sauce that I use. I just basted them over top and that's it guys. Quick, easy and simple. They were nice and tender and just amazing. I can't wait for you guys to give the recipe a try. I did serve this up with some fried cabbage and some macaroni pie and it was divine. Like I said, give it a try and let me know what you guys think. I'll leave all the ingredients down in the description box and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support and as always, enjoy.